In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own website using Squarespace's free trial. Getting started with your web presence has never been easier, and by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a stunning, personalized website. To begin, head over to squarespace.com and click on the Get Started button. This will initiate your free trial and kickstart your journey into the world of web design. Choosing a starting point is your next step. Squarespace offers a variety of beautifully crafted templates to suit every need, from personal blogs to e-commerce sites. These templates are just a starting point. Alternatively, you can use their AI-powered website builder, which can generate a personalized design just for you. Remember, the content you add will transform the template, so feel free to experiment and make it your own. Now, it's time to give your website an identity by titling it. This title is important as it sets the tone for your entire site. Think of it as the headline that welcomes your visitors. Once you've got your foundation set with a template and a title, it's time for the fun part, customizing the design. Squarespace's intuitive drag-and-drop editor is here to help. Dive into the layout options, mix and match colors, play around with various fonts, and add your own images and branding. This hands-on customization mode allows you to truly reflect your style and personality, making your website unique to you. Next up is adding pages and content. Navigate to the Pages menu, where you'll have the option to add new pages like About or Contact pages, or you can edit existing ones. Squarespace simplifies this process by providing pre-built page layouts for functions you might need, such as galleries or forms. But if you're feeling creative, you can certainly create your own page layouts as well. Within these pages, you can add sections to better organize your content and use versatile blocks to incorporate text, images, and other necessary elements. Feeling stuck on what content to include? No worries. Squarespace's built-in AI tools are there to nudge you in the right direction with generating catchy headlines, product descriptions, and more. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you effortlessly create a professional website that meets your needs and showcases your vision. Take your time to explore and play around with the capabilities that Squarespace offers. With these tools at your disposal, you'll have a beautiful, functional website up and running in no time. Happy building!